back to my channel. I'm Ellie. Today we are going to be planning for this week's spread in my Erin Condren planner. So here is my planner and I'm going to show you guys the stickers that I'm going to be using. All right, let's set this aside. So we are going into January 19th through the 25th. Okay, so this is the sticker sheets that I'm going to be using. These stickers are so cute. They are Watercolor Owls. They're from Growing Modestly. She sent me these stickers like, for a long time ago. There's some little fun worded stickers here and then some snowflake brush stickers here. So to pair it with this little set, I grabbed this washi tape from the Pink Room Co. I got this washi tape years ago in when I went to the Chicago Planner Conference. They gave us like a bunch of free goodies, so that's where I got this little washi tape from. But it's so cute. It has like a blue background with gold stars, so it just kind of reminds me of the night sky. So that's why I picked it up and I think it's perfect. It'll go with like the brown hints of the owls that we have here along with some of the wording. I also pulled out my colorful box sticker book. This is the rainbow sticker book from the Happy Planner. This is a good essential to have within your planner supplies because you can pair these boxes with just about any type of sticker. It comes with all kinds of fun different color boxes, different sizes. As you can see, it's such a huge book. It has a whole bunch, so this is definitely an essential to have as a planner girl. So I'm going to be using the super soft brown sheets that are in here, and then I'm going to pair it with my spread. So really cute, lots of good stickers in here, different sizes, headers, boxes, all kinds of good things. So yes. All right, I'm going to set this to the side. I'm going to set these to the side as well, and then we can go ahead and get started. You guys, my phone has been acting crazy. It's been like turning off without me noticing. So I'm gonna kind of backtrack a little bit to where I guess the camera ended up turning off. So I was basically saying that the goal was to use up the entire sticker sheet with the owls so that I can toss it and I don't have anything left over. So we did that. I love how the stickers came out. They look so beautiful. I think I spaced them out really, really well. We went ahead and used 2 of the brush stroke washi tapes. We added our washi at the very top, so everything looks cohesive and super cute. I started adding some of these words as well. I did the Hello Winter over down in this little corner. Then I alternated with a little brown word. This one says it's cold. To just kind of balance out the colors of the wording. And then I kind of just left off where I added the winter, winter, winter sticker sheets here. And so I'm just basically going to go ahead and cut off the ends of it, just like that. And then we're good there. So I don't really do much during the week, but any space that I need, I think I have a good amount of space here already. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and add a brown word again to just kind of balance. Let's see, if it's not snowing, if it's snowing, I'm not going. That's so cute. So I think I'm going to place actually that one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and utilize this space here. There we go. Perfect. That looks really, really nice there. And then here is my winter, winter, winter. It looks a little crooked, but it's all right. All right, let me see if I want to add anything else. I think lastly, I'm going to add this burr one right here, just to finish it off. And unfortunately, we were not able to use all the words, but it's okay. So I think I'm going to put it right here. And then we are good to go. All right, we'll make sure. Perfect. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is probably my favorite layout out of all the ones I've done so far. So here we have my monthly, my notes. I do love this one. I feel like I was a little all over the place with this one. This one turned out really good, but this one is definitely by far my favorite. I love it. But that is it, you guys. That's my spread for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.